Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel GK Update with उन्नति। तो हम पढ़ेंगे 13 जून 2025 के इम्पॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स। तो आज का पहला क्वेश्चन, इंटरनेशनल अल्बिनिज्म अवेयरनेस डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड एवरी ईयर ऑन, एंड द आंसर इज 13th June। Second question, India's first e-waste eco park will be built in, and the answer is Delhi. Third question, the Mongolia capital will host the which edition of Khan Quest from 14 to 28 June 2025? And the answer is 22nd edition. Fourth question, which year has been declared as the International Women Farmers Year by the UN General Assembly? And the answer is 2026. Fifth question, what rank has been given to India in the recently released Gender Gap Index 2025? And the answer is 131st. Sixth question, who has been recently appointed the President of the American Medical Association? And the answer is Srinivas Bobby Mukkamala. Seventh question, Edgar Chagwa Lungu, who died recently, was the former president of which country? And the answer is Zambia. Eighth question, Ozofeni belongs to which state which has been recently given GI tag? And the answer is Goa. Ninth question, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Shipla Health? And the answer is Neena Gupta. 10th question, what is the rank of India globally in terms of social security coverage? And the answer is second rank. 11th question, Vijay Rupani was the former chief minister of which state who passed away recently? And the answer is Gujarat. 12th question, Pachmadi Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state which has been renamed as Raja Bhabut Singh Wildlife Sanctuary? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. 13th question, Shahed drones are developed by which country? And the answer is Iran. 14th question, which organization has released its 2025 State of World Population Report titled The Real Fertility Crisis? And the answer is United Nations Population Fund. 15th question, in which state is the recently discussed Gangotri National Park located? And the answer is Uttarakhand. 16th question, Dr. Srinivas Mukkamala became the first person of Indian origin to be elected president of which prestigious organization? And the answer is American Medical Association. 17th question, on which date is the World Day Against Child Labour observed every year? And the answer is 12th June. 18th question, recently the first ever joint military exercise, Tiger Claw, concluded between the Special Forces of the Indian Air Force and which country? And the answer is United States Air Force. 19th question, which edition of Global Gender Gap Report was released on June 12, 2025 by the WEF? And the answer is 19th edition. 20th question, which Air India plane crashed in the plane accident in Ahmedabad? And the answer is AI 171. 21st question. Who has been recommended by FSIB as the next MD and CEO of LIC, subject to final approval by the Cabinet? And the answer is R. Doraiswamy. 22nd question. Who has been appointed as the Deputy CEO of SBI General Insurance, having started his career as a probationary officer at SBI in 2000? And the answer is Muhammad Arif Khan. 23rd question. Under which scheme has the Andhra Pradesh government announced Rs 15,000 annual assistance to mothers of school-going children, with Rs 8,745 crore allocated for the rollout? And the answer is Talakki Vandanam. 24th question. From July 1st onwards, Indian Railway will allow Tatkal ticket booking on IRCTC only by user authenticated through which document? And the answer is Aadhaar card. 25th question. What percentage of India's population is covered by Social Security in 2025 according to ILO stat, marking of 45% point rise since 2015? And the answer is 64.3%. 26th question. GRSE recently signed a contract with which organization for the construction of 2 coastal research vessels? And the answer is Geological Survey of India. And the last 27th question. Indian Navy recently conducted a joint passage exercise in the North Arabian Sea with the Carrier Strike Group of which country? And the last answer is United Kingdom. तो ये थे 13 जून 2025 के इम्पॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स। तो अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है, रिसेंटली हु चेयर्ड द एनुअल मीटिंग ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी एंड डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल? तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।